Hello, I'm Jan with Pewter Dragonfly. Welcome to our channel. Today we're making conditioner bars. They are ultra conditioning for all hair types and all hair lengths. They fit perfectly in the hand. Let me grab a couple here. They are great for traveling and last from 20 to 50 uses depending on how often you wash your hair. Our recipe uses BTMS, which is a conditioning emulsifier commonly used in hair and skin care that is naturally derived from the rapeseed plant. It's gentle on skin and hair. We also use cetyl alcohol, which is a common ingredient in cosmetics that is derived from vegetable oils such as palm or coconut oil. The recipe also includes vegetable-based glycerin, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and shea butter. Then we add the goodies like DL-panthenol, which is provitamin B5, hydrolyzed oat protein, which is naturally derived, dimethicone, which is a form of silicone that coats and protects the hair follicles and acts as an emollient, fragrance, of course, and a preservative to prevent bacteria growth, since the bar will most likely be kept in the bathroom where there is lots of moisture. If you've never used a conditioner bar before, stay tuned to the end of the video and we will show you how to use one. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, see the button below, and click the little bell to get notice when new videos are posted. Here we go. Okay, here we are to make the conditioner bars. This beaker contains the BTMS, the cetyl alcohol, glycerin, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and shea butter. This is the heated phase. I will be setting those in a pan of water to melt, and then when they are ready and up to temperature, then this contains the panthenol, the hydrolyzed oat protein, dimethicone, the phenonip, which is the preservative, and the fragrance. And it is a nice thick mixture. This is what actually makes a lot of it work very well together. So we'll see you back here when we get everything melted and ready to go. All right, we're back. The mixture is in a water bath right now. Let me get this off to the side. Okay, and the one thing I forgot to tell you, or forgot to do, was to add the color. I'm using Pixie Pink Brilliance, Pixie Pink Brilliance Mica from Micas and More, and it's already been added to the mixture and mixed in. This is what the finished bar will look like. This one has been stamped and is ready for sale. So we'll get this out of the way. This is the mixture all melted and ready to go. And I will be pouring them into this silicone mold. Everything has been sterilized to the top. All right, so we will add this to our mixture. Okay, that mixture was cooler than the melted mixture, so I'll have to stir it up a bit more to make sure that it melts completely. I think it's probably melted enough, but just in case, we'll put it back on the in the water bath. All right, we are back from melting everything down, and we will take it out of the bath and pour it into molds. Put this over here. Let's get this on this side so you can see what's going on. And by the way, this is Zen Garden, which is our signature fragrance, our most popular. It is gardenia, white tea and ginger. It has some fruit notes, floral notes. It is a proprietary blend. As you can see, the mixture is cooling down rapidly. So I will definitely be having to reheat what's left. I will go ahead and reheat what is left in the jar, and I will do that off camera. So we will return for the unmolding. See you in a bit. Okay, we're back, and these are ready now. So we are going to unmold them and we are going to stamp them. They've been sitting in the refrigerator for the last 2 hours so that they can harden enough that we can work with them. Okay, there we go. You should be able to see a little bit better now. Okay, so these are ready to go, and what we will do is we have a dragonfly stamp that we use to stamp all of our products. This is just plain gold mica, is all it is. Okay, that's really all there is to it. These will cure now for about 3 days before I ship them to the lady, and they really should cure for about a week before you use them the first time, and then I would leave them sitting out uncovered because they work really well. So that's pretty much it. Hello there. As we promised, we will give you a demonstration of how to use a conditioner bar. Since this is my personal conditioner bar, I'm handling it without gloves, and we're going to use this wig stand to approximate a human head. So basically what you do is you take the bar and you swipe across the head about 4 or 5 times. If you have very reasonably short hair, you pile it up on the back of the head and run it around a little bit. And then you just massage it in as much as you can. Let it set for about 30 seconds and then rinse it out. If you have really, really long hair, then the best way to do it is to do the front and the sides as you normally would. Then take the hair itself, take hold of the strands and hold it out this way, and do your strands this way. The same on the other side, and then try to bunch them together a little bit and add a little more to it. It takes a little more with longer hair, but it works just as well. So hopefully you've gotten some good tips about how to use a conditioner bar. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next time.